Hey guys, welcome back to the another vlog. This is going to be a pretty vlog dump episode because I have so many footage but not particularly or the exact footage of that same day. So I'm going to combine all the footage from last 2-3 months. I'll show you everything what happened in last 3-4 months. Basically February में I was in Pune before the second lockdown started and वहाँ पे I was really good, मतलब ऑफिस freelancing work सब कुछ अच्छे से चल रहा था. But back then, before the second lockdown announced, one day before, my uncle told me that you have to come to the hometown. I don't want any excuse, वरना second lockdown में वहाँ पे फंस जाते. So basically, I was back in hometown, and तभी से I am staying here. And it's pretty cool to stay in hometown actually, because you get to see so many good friends, you get to meet so many friends, and the pleasure of having family around is really awesome. दिस इज़ द फुटेज ऑफ 12 में. बेसिकली उस टाइम मेरे दादा दादी की एनिवर्सरी होती है एंड 2 साल पहले वी सेलिब्रेटेड अ बिग इवेंट बिकॉज दे जस्ट क्रॉस्ड गोल्डन जुबली एंड वी सेलिब्रेटेड अ बिग इवेंट विथ ऑल द फैमिली कजिन्स ऑल रिलेटिव्स. बट दिस टाइम बिकॉज ऑफ द लॉकडाउन वी हैव टू सेलिब्रेट इन द फैमिली. As a Cancerian, I am the most emotional person in zodiac sign. Like you can check any of the website or anything. Like I personally know that I'm the most emotional person when it comes to family, relationship or anything. I just don't show it openly, but I'm the most emotional person. So when it comes to my grandparents, I'm really attached to them. So whatever they do, I make sure that they get the best of it because they taught me so many things. They taught me so many things. Now the second footage is from the 9th May, which is my brother's birthday. You can follow his channel. I will put the link in the description. He is more into the comedy, sketches, entertainment thing. I know we both are completely opposite. I talk more about the books, productivity, life hacks, and he is more into the entertainment industry. So I will put the link, Instagram link and YouTube link. You can check out all the sketches. If you love, make sure you like his videos and subscribe to his channel. So on 9 May, my grandmother, यानी कि my दादी, sang a song which is really beautiful.
मी एकटाच करतो. कसं असा का पाहिजे ना? करू का? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
May God bless you.
हम भी अगर बच्चे होते नाम हमारा होता गबलू बबलू खाने लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
This is the footage of 23 May. Basically, we played a lot of outdoor games because we do have a ground and mango ka season chal raha tha. So we get a lot of seeds. Actually, we played a lot of game, but this game, actually the footage I'm going to show you, this game is one of the best we played with the family, like from dadi, uncle, dad, mom, everything, like everyone played that game and it was really fun. So basically game होता है when you have a lot of mango seeds, you make a circle और उसमें बहुत सारे mango के seeds डाल देते हैं and from a distance you have to throw a stone and you have to remove your seeds and you have to make maximum out of it. So that's the kind of game. I don't know what you guys call it. Let me know in the comment what you guys call this game name. I have no idea what you guys call it.
If I open up my
footage is from June month, actually after May June month, and we played a lot of indoor games because we are tired of outdoor games, but we still do play cricket with friends and everyone. But this is an indoor game. Mostly we played cards, and it was fun doing that activity. We try to play every day, but sometimes because of the work we shifted to the weekends. After that, my birthday month, that is July 15. If you followed me on Instagram, then you already know that how I celebrated my birthday with, with friends, with family. I have already put the reel on the Instagram. I will put the link in the description. You can go check out that reel. This is the second last of footage from this vlog dump, which is more about, enjoying with family or late night chat with family, which is the most interesting part. And this is one of the funniest part we do when we are together.
कॅमेरामन दीपक चौरासे के साथ पलक शाह हिने दिसला फोन तो पलक बेटा आ जाओ
And this is the last of footage, which is more about, the last 14 August, यानी कि 2 दिन पहले की footage है, which is when we did the vaccination. Actually, we have not recorded, we have not done anything like shooting videos or anything on the vaccination center because I don't feel like doing that. Basically, I have no idea why, but I don't feel like doing that. मैं, मेरा भाई and my mother, like हम तीनों ही बचे थे vaccination के लिए, but it was around 50 kilometers from our home, but we still get there and we got the vaccination. And that's all for this vlog dump episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment and share if you find this enjoyable, and see you in the next vlog. Bye bye, tata, take care.